everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, guys, I'm going to decorate my living room. Guys, I'm going to start with those 4 books. If you're on a budget and you want your coffee table to look good, this is another option you can use if you don't want to break the bank by adding the expensive designer book. This another good option. I got those 4 books on Temu, and guys, and the Coco Chanel is a real book that I got on Amazon. And guys, those beautiful flowers, my orchid planter, I made them myself. And this vase, I got them while I was at Georgia. So it was very beautiful. I couldn't leave it, so I took it home with me, and I'm glad I did because I really love the color. For spring is perfect. As you can see on my coffee table, very, very beautiful. Guys, it's the best way again to save money if you are somebody that on budget and you love your home to look expensive. And the vase is my DIY also, and the flowers I get them from Walmart. Guys, please don't sleep on Walmart because there are some beautiful flowers in for a fraction of the price. I'm adding those beautiful pillows. They are faux fur and I love them. Make my home look beautiful. Behind my sofa, I'm going to add those beautiful flowers and this bunny I got from Burlington a while back. And guys, those beautiful pillows, I get them from Home Goods and I love them so much. They are 24 by 24 and I think I paid $34 for each, and it's very well worth it. And for my rug, and I'm using my Prosonic vacuum to clean it up. Guys, this rug I got it from Amazon and I love it so much. They were on sale and I get 2 of them, one in my bedroom, one in my living room. I'm so in love with them. Guys, the link of everything will be in the description box down below. If you're looking for something like that, make sure to check it. Anything in the video that interests you, make sure to check the box down below. Guys, I really love the way my apartment turned out. This is the finished look. Let me know down below if you like it. If you do, don't forget to smash me some thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. Guys, I love my little coffee table. I got it from her nest. The link will be in the description box down below as well. Guys, the apartment is small. You know, this video is on how to maximize a small space. I really love how everything turns out. Guys, I really love to make my own floor arrangement. If that's something that you like to do, trust me, you're going to save a lot of money because this one cost me less than $50. If you look on Etsy, they are so extremely expensive, or anywhere you can buy them, you will not find them from this price. I was able to make mine by myself and it cost me ridiculously almost nothing.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
This toe blanket for Burlington, I love it so much. It's so beautiful, so soft, and it goes perfectly with my home decor.
Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, other room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, not even if I tried. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, cause I need you by my side. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands.
Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.